Holiday visits can be a problem for people with mobility issues. Once inside your home, is help needed getting in between floors. Alison Meriano from Home Stairlift joins us with a solution. And this is a rental, and this is really smart, kind of coming up into the holidays. Maybe someone is in long-term care right now, but they're coming to your home for a week or two, and it's like, how do you get them up and down the stairs?
Fear not.
Or even for a holiday dinner kind of thing.
So something that we offer is stairlift rentals. So whether your stairs are straight or curved, we have a solution, either short-term or long-term. If you have family visiting from overseas and they need to navigate your home, we have a solution. Even if you're waiting for surgery, or pre or post surgery, a stairlift could help you, stay at home, heal at home.
Okay, so if it's a temporary thing, then once it comes out, is it pretty easy to fix the,
Definitely.
Are there holes in the drywall, or are there?
Nothing is affixed to the wall. Everything is installed in the stairs. So there's a couple of holes every 3 or 4 stairs. If you do have hardwood, we come in and we fill the hardwood. If you have carpet, you'll never notice anything was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then there are also options if you're buying, because there's government funding for that.
Correct. What a lot of people, seniors, don't understand is there is government funding. There's funding through March of Dimes Canada, so a stairlift qualifies for that. You can get up to $15,000 through March of Dimes for a stairlift. So there is help available.
So do you apply to them, and then, okay, so how does that work with government funding?
Correct. So you would apply through March of Dimes.
Okay, they do an assessment, I guess, to see if you need it?
It's just paperwork, really.
Okay.
So you're going to fill out the paperwork online or a hard copy if that's what you're used to, and send it into March of Dimes, and they will get back to you within a couple of weeks. It's pretty quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then there's also, if maybe you don't apply or don't qualify for the government funding, you can still write off a stairlift if you buy it.
That's right.
As a medical device.
This is the time to buy. So if you purchase now and you have an invoice or receipt for this year, you can claim it on your taxes when you do your taxes in the new year, and you will get a tax credit.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is all part of aging at home. So if you've purchased a home that has more than one level and you think, oh, I'd love to stay here, but I can't because the bathroom's up on the second floor or a bedroom's up on the second floor.
Right.
This is a way of staying at home.
Staying at home. And also what people don't realize is it's more affordable than you think. If you have a simple straight set of stairs, you can get a stairlift in your home for a couple $1,000s, really, a pre-owned $2,300 for your viewers today. And if you buy a brand new straight stairlift with a 5-year warranty, it's about $3,300. So people think that, it's something they can't afford, it's not in their budget, but they are more affordable than you think.
Okay.
And there's no tax because it's a medical device.
Right.
Yeah.
And when the time comes to really need one, it's like you really need one. So we've got about 30 seconds left here, Alison, but you've got a special offer for our CHCH viewers that starts today.
So for Black Friday and for CHCH viewers, we're offering a pre-owned 1-year warranty for $2,300 for a straight stairlift. We can install it the next day, and we're running this promo until Monday.
Okay, we'll get that up on our website then, chch.com. Alison, thanks very much for coming in.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we'll be back with more right after this.